welcome and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to create or how to crochet a granny square and how to change color the easy way. So to start with, we're going to create our magic ring, and we're going to chain 3, and into this magic ring we're going to double crochet. So chain 3 and 2 double crochet, chain 3 for our corner, and place 3 double crochet, and now we created one corner. Now we're going to chain 3 to create the second corner and place 3 double crochet into the magic ring. And chain 3 and work 3 double crochet into the magic ring for another corner. And we can close this. So now we created 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now chain 3. This is your last corner, which is we're going to slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning, and this is how you finish your small granny square. And then you can pull this tail, okay, to close this middle part. Now, so this is the hack, okay, that I do when I change my color. Okay, so create your slip knot as normal, and you insert from the corner. However, instead of doing this and chain 3 and you double crochet, so when we come back, this part here is hard to find and it's not easy to slip stitch. Okay, so this is how I do it myself, the easy way. So if you like this, you can copy it. Okay, so we're going to hold the tail here and we're going to yarn over, insert and pull up a loop, just like you're doing your double crochet, and yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that is our first double crochet. Next is you're going to continue just normal. Now I'm going to show you, this is what it looks like. Okay, so when you got to your end, it is easy to find and it's just there. Okay, so I'm going to continue creating my granny square. So after 3 double crochet, you're going to chain 3 and into the same space you're going to place 3 more double crochet. So that is our first corner. And then without chaining, go into the next corner and create your 3 double crochet. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochet. So jump into the next corner with 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and into the last corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 more double crochet. So now we're going to slip stitch. We don't have to count. We can find it easily and use slip stitch. Easy. And this is how I change color, the easy way for myself. Okay, so if you're going to continue, okay, you grab your yarn again and create your slip knot, and you grab one of the corner and do the same thing. So if you're going to start from here, you can do that. You hold this tail and yarn over, insert into this space, pull up a loop and pull up a loop, pull through two, pull through two. Okay, so that is your chain 3 there. So it's easier to slip stitch. So as you can see, we don't have to count there, it's just there. And on top, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, it's clear. And continue into the next corner without chaining, 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 more double crochet. So next is the space, the corner space with 3 double crochet. And now we're going to work into the corner. And you just have to continue doing that until you get to your end, chain 3. So now we have created 2 corners, and then you continue that, and then I'll meet you back, okay, to do the slip stitch. Now we are going to do our last stitch or our last corner with 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet in the same corner. Okay, so now have a look how easy is that you don't have to struggle, okay, to slip stitch to finish your row. Okay, so this is my hack for changing my color the easy way. Hopefully guys you like this video guys, and you like my hack for changing my color, okay, the easy way and the cleanest way. So as you can see here, we changed color. It's beautiful. Okay, so we changed color before. Okay, it's just easy. Okay, so thank you very much guys, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, and you can share to your friends as well, family, friends, to your social media, and let other people know about the easy way of changing color. And if you haven't subscribed yet guys, please do so now, and smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. And hopefully I'm going to see you next time. Bye for now.